USB 3.0 SuperSpeed, up to 5 gigabits per second data transfer speed. Fast USB-C to USB adapter. Plug-play, OTG adapter. No additional driver, software needed. Simple Thunderbolt 3 to USB adapter. Support side-by-side use. Won't block adjacent USB-C port, which may happen on adapters with no cable. Universal compatibility. Compatible with laptop, tablet, smartphone with a USB Type-C port including MacBook Pro 2018, 2017, 2016, MacBook Air 2018, Nintendo Switch, Samsung Galaxy S8, S9. 1 year. Feel free to upgrade to 3-year by registering to Nomad USB-C adapter program. Premium material ensures durability and maximum flexibility. Bend it to any angle you desire when you connect it to your USB-C devices, as many as 10,137 times. It won't heat up when you charge or transfer data with it. No more worries about heat damaging your connected devices. Extend storage of your new USB-C smartphones. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. This adapter worked well as an adapter to connect my cell phone cord to my new car's Bluetooth system.